All right, guys, I've had a lot of requests to do a review on the New Balance. New Balance, that sounded pretty good. The New Balance 9060 X. You gotta put the X on it. We ain't got time to waste. We gotta get into these immediately, guys. Run my intro. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And yes, this one is a very sought after shoe and people have been requesting it. And I'm telling you guys, there's a big difference between this one and the regular style 9060. I'm gonna do a comparison video in the future, but let's get into this one like if it was a clean slate, and then I'll bring you the comparison video, guys. Let's get into it immediately. But first is the presentation. Well, guys, the presentation, nothing out of this world whatsoever. Regular box, gray, with the New Balance logo in the top and a little New Balance logo right there in the corner. Yes, that's pretty much it. That's it, guys. There's nothing else. The QR codes are dedicated. It's nothing, guys. It's just plain and simple. Where the action starts is with these shoes right here. That, yes, it is very different, guys. I analyzed these shoes for a couple of days, and yo, these things are pretty crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Anyways, guys, you already know how I start this off. The materials and the toe box. The toe box, very unique. Very unique. I'm gonna start it off with that one right there, just so it will get you off guard. With the underlaying mesh, very nice, you know, and you guys see what before on the regular 9060s, it's actually like a leather. This is more of a silicone material going all across the actual shoe. On the tip of the toe box, it has this nice little piece going like if it was holding the plastic. That is a pretty nice detail, at least in my case. And it has the N embossed right in the tip. I like that look right there. Staying in the top of the toe box, the mesh of the toe box stays with the tongue. It's like a big single piece all the way to the top. And in the top, it's actually a nubuck with the New Balance 9060 logo in a thick silicone. Going into the inside of the shoe, the ankle collar, it's not crazy patent, guys, but this shoe is extremely comfortable. And the insole is in black with the logo in silver. Going to the side of the shoe, like I said, that silicone material running through the whole shoe with the underlying mesh that you guys can see inside of those windows. With the New Balance logo, very nice, very nice. In the exact same material, it's more like a silhouette feel. Going to the ankle collar, the whole top, it is in that same rubber type material. That this one, guys, is more of an outdoor type 9060. This is like saying, I don't know, what is that thing of Nike? I forgot the name of them, the winterized. Like it was a winterized Nike. Well, this is basically what that X is. Let's keep going. We'll talk about it more towards the end of the video. And all the way in the back, you see like this bridge of that silicone and the mesh right in the bottom. Going to the midsole, it is that iconic 9060 midsole. Nothing has changed very much at all, guys. Those big, large pucks with a nice design on it. Very beautiful. And in the back that I'm saying, I'm always going to say it, it reminds me of a hoof. Yeah, like a deer hoof or something like that. It just does, guys. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It just reminds me of a hoof. In this case, it's just a very comfortable hoof, you know. And like for some reason, it also reminds me of a camel toe. You know what I'm saying? And not really the fun type of camel toe. Yeah, it's just a little bit more boring. You know what I'm saying? This camel toe, right? Let's just keep going with the shoes, guys. Going into the sole of the shoe, very nice. Very nicely patterned. You see the same way that it has those pucks popping out of the midsole. Each of those patterns is an actual puck under the sole of the shoe. And right in the middle, it says New Balance, nicely embossed, guys. Yes, Very, very nice. I'm gonna tell you something now. There is gonna be no on foot on this one because this was sent with the actual, whatever size that they send me. And in this case, it was a size 8. Yes. So this is for strictly reviewing purposes. There you go. That's a good way of putting it, guys. But yes, I could tell you about sizing. When it comes to this shoe, guys, I recommend. A lot of people actually go half a size down on these shoes, as crazy as it sounds. In my case, I went true to size on it, and it fits perfect on my other pair. But I would recommend always to go and try them out in the store, guys. If you could get a chance, try them out yourself. But if you are gonna blind buy it, go true to size. You're always better safe than sorry, guys. So yes, that's pretty much it. I will bring the comparison video with my pair of 9060s and these bad boys right here. And don't mind the size differences, guys. It's going to be a little bit of a different type of thing, So yes, final assessment on these bad boys. Beautiful. I love the way it looks. I love the materials on it. Of course, like I said, I have to bring you a comparison video when it comes to this with my 9060s. And obviously, I know guaranteed that these are very comfortable. Now, that there's big differences, there is big differences, guys. But there you guys have it. The 9060X, you guys wanted my opinion on it. You guys wanted me to do a review on it. There you guys have it. If I was to give you an honest buy it or not buy it right now because you're undecisive, I say buy them. If you like them, buy them. You're actually going to be pretty surprised with these. These are very nice. I like them a lot. Well, I like them so much that I'll probably get myself a pair for myself, for my personal use. So very nice. Very, very nice. Anyways, guys, any questions, comment below. Let me know. I'll leave a link there for you guys also. And like always, guys, I'm always wishing you the best. And I love you all. I think I did that one the opposite. Peace. El cohete.